This isn't just another motivational video. It's a wake-up call that could change everything. If you're tired of starting strong, but slipping back into old habits, this could be the moment where everything shifts for you. Motivation doesn't last forever, so don't just feel motivated. Learn something that will stay with you. Today we're talking about 7 powerful steps to develop a mindset that makes consistency feel effortless. Follow these steps, and I promise, consistency will become second nature. You're about to unlock the power to stay consistent, no matter what life throws at you. Does that sound impossible? Stick with me, and I'll show you exactly how it's done. Before we dive into the solution, let's first understand why consistency is hard. We all know that consistency is the key to achieving anything in life, right? It's the foundation of success. But if we're being honest, why is it still so hard to stay consistent? Let's look at the core reasons, getting to the root cause, not just the symptoms. Most of us are stuck because our subconscious mind isn't on board. It's not enough to just decide you want to be consistent. You need to change the part of your mind that drives almost 95% of everything you do. The part shaped by years of habits and routines. Think about it. Have you ever decided to wake up early, only to have your mind whisper, you need more sleep? Or maybe you've sat down to work on your goal, but instead, your mind tempts you to scroll through social media or watch just one more episode of that show. The fact is, you won't achieve your goals instantly. You need patience and consistency. But your mind craves instant gratification. It wants comfort now, not results later. Your subconscious mind is wired to chase quick rewards. The real battle isn't with the world around you, it's with the stories you tell yourself. Here are the 7 steps to effortless consistency. Number 1, shift your mindset from I have to I want to. When you change your mindset from I have to do this to I want to do this, everything changes. Think about it. Do you say, I have to play basketball, or I want to play basketball? You say I want to because you enjoy it. Now apply that same thinking to your work or goals. When you say I want to, it changes your emotions and thoughts. Everything starts to feel natural and not like a burden. You want to make progress. You want to show up for yourself. And when that shift happens, being consistent isn't a burden anymore. It's a desire. Number 2, set one clear, burning goal, not just any goal, a goal that excites you, that sets your soul on fire, a goal that makes you jump out of bed in the morning, ready to take on the world. Forget what others think you should be doing. This is your goal, something deeply personal. And when your goal means everything to you, consistency won't feel like a struggle anymore. It will feel like the natural next step. Number 3, visualize yourself achieving your goal. This is the most important step. This isn't just daydreaming. Visualization is the key to shifting your mindset. When you visualize your success, you're telling your mind, I have a clear vision of where I'm going. You're giving your subconscious mind a map, a destination. Picture this: if your goal is to land your dream job, see yourself walking into the interview with confidence. Feel the excitement as the interviewer smiles, impressed by your answers. And hear the words, congratulations, we'd like to offer you the position. Now, visualize this. You're thriving in that role, earning the financial stability you've always dreamed of. See yourself enjoying a lifestyle that brings joy and freedom. You're able to take care of your loved ones with ease, giving them the life they deserve. Feel the pride of knowing you've achieved your goal and the confidence that comes with it. In those moments, your mind might whisper doubts, this is impossible, or you're not ready for this. But remember, with every possibility comes challenges. Removing the possibility doesn't solve anything. Instead, solve the problems to attain that possibility. When you visualize, you're not just imagining, you're giving your mind a crystal clear picture of your goal. It shifts your mindset from can I do this to I will do this. And once your mind is convinced, consistency becomes easier, because now you're working towards something you've already seen in your mind's eye. Number 4, write your goal down and keep it in front of you. When life gets busy, when distractions come, you need a reminder that pulls you back to your purpose. Grab a piece of paper, a whiteboard, or even a sticky note. Write your goal down and put it somewhere you'll see it every single day. Imagine this. You're rushing through your day, feeling overwhelmed, but then you see that goal written clearly in front of you, and it grounds you. That simple act can reconnect you to your purpose and keep you on track. Number 5, shift from an earning mindset to a learning mindset. When doubts or negative thoughts creep in, telling you, what if it doesn't work out? Remind yourself, even if you fail, you'll learn something valuable. Imagine this. You try something new, and it doesn't go as planned. It feels like failure at first, but now, well, you know what doesn't work. And that's okay, because now you're one step closer to figuring out what does. That's knowledge you didn't have before. But if you never try, failure is certain. Number 6, use the 2-minute rule. Ever feel like starting is the hardest part? That's because your mind builds up tasks to seem bigger than they really are. Here's the trick. Give yourself just 2 minutes. 2 minutes of action, whether it's getting up to exercise, writing the first sentence, or organizing one item on your desk. Picture this. You've been putting off working out. Instead of thinking about a full workout, tell yourself, I'll put on my shoes and stretch for 2 minutes. Before you know it, you're halfway through a full workout. Those 2 minutes are all you need to get the ball rolling. And once you start, momentum will carry you forward. Number 7, track your progress and celebrate the wins. Every step forward, no matter how small, is a victory. Track it, write it down, celebrate it. Think about climbing a mountain. Each step might feel small, even insignificant. But when you pause and look back, you realize just how far you've come. That's the power of tracking your progress. It reminds you of the journey, and each milestone becomes fuel for your momentum. When you celebrate those wins, you're not just feeling good, you're reshaping your mind. You're training yourself to focus on progress, not perfection. And that's how you keep going. Consistency isn't about being perfect. It's about having the mindset to stay on track, even when things get tough. It's the bridge between where you are now and where you want to be. But here's the thing, it all starts with urgency, a burning desire to make the most of your time. Don't let another day slip by while you're just wishing for change. Act now, train your subconscious, set that goal, and make consistency your new normal. This is your moment. What's the one burning goal you're ready to commit to today? Share it in the comments below. And if this video fired you up, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. The clock is ticking. Let today be the day you take charge of your consistency.